So today we are going to be talking about how to adjust time slots on Buffer to make sure that your stuff gets queued and scheduled right when you want it. So when you're in your Buffer, you're scrolling around and you see all of these time slots. Now this account doesn't have any set, so they all say 12 p.m. We are going to go to settings, which has all of this fun stuff in the general part, but that's not what we're talking about right now. We want to go to posting schedule. Click on it and then add a new posting time. Make sure your time zone is set to where you actually live. And then you can see down here, this is where all the 12s are. You have those big blocks where you can schedule stuff. Now I'm going to add a time that I think is pretty popular, which is 8:30 on the weekdays. So I just click, I adjust all those numbers, 8:20 p.m., close enough. Then add posting time, and you can see that on Monday through Friday, it has that added. And then for the weekends, I'm going to add a 6:20. So add posting time, and you can see that has been added right below the 12. So then when we go back up above to our queue, we can see that, oh look, those new slots have been added, and we can schedule our posts to automatically fill those in. So we've got an Instagram posting open. We're just going to type something in, upload this lovely photo of a woman, and then we're going to click on schedule post. If you want a different time, that's not that, but you can also just add it to queue. And when you click add it to queue, it's automatically going to get put at that new time, and you can see that this post is scheduled to go out at 8:20 p.m. just like we want it. So that is how you schedule posts and add new time slots to your Buffer account. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.